129, it says draw a triangle with these vertices, and I'm drawing a crude drawing on here instead of on graph paper. So 2, 6 is there, right? 2, 2 is here, and 5, 6 is here. Okay, and if we draw the triangle, which is hard on here, but I'll try. There's our triangle. And now let's find the side lengths, right? So this goes from 2 in the y, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4, right? And across we go from 2, 1, 2, 3 across to 5, right? So this is 3, and this is a right triangle, right? Because they're parallel to the axes. So now we can find the missing side, right? Find the lengths of each side of the triangle. So for A, right, we would have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. 9 plus 16 equals C squared. 25 equals C squared. So C equals 5. So this one right here, the missing one, is 5. So the perimeter equals 3 plus 4 plus 5. The perimeter equals 12 units, right? There's the perimeter, 12 units. And you should even start to recognize triangles like 3, 4, 5 because we do them so often. For B, what type of triangle is formed by these points? And it's clearly a right triangle, right? Because, well, for a couple reasons. One, the two sides of the triangle, the 3 and the 4, are parallel to the x and y axis. And that's how you know. You can't really say because it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, because we used the fact that it's a right triangle to find this missing side. So the justification is that the side that's length 3 is parallel to the x-axis, and the side that length 4 is parallel to the y-axis. Therefore, they're perpendicular, and it forms a 90-degree angle.